Hey, what's up? Today I want to go and unbox the Logitech G915. And it's an amazing keyboard. It's mechanic and yeah, it has it's light speed, so it's wireless. Also it's RGB. It doesn't have the encavings. I don't know what's the name right now. So let's go and open it. For that, I need to go and turn this around. They have also the tactical and these are the clicky ones. I'm very excited for that. And yeah, wireless is pretty awesome. So let's open it. And let's open it. Oh my god, yes. And here we have some paper. Okay. Oh, here we go. Ooh, the sound. Tell you. So let me see how to get it out here. Oh my god, it's so slim. Love it. It's these no engravings here. As accessory, we get the introductions here. See what's in there. So it's a sticker, and then we have the security, the introductions, how to. Alright, next we have the receiver here for the Bluetooth. It goes in the PC. Here's an adapter. So if you want to go on wired, you have here the cable. So if you want to go and connect your keyboard, then you have here your cable, and then you can connect. And now let's have a look about the keyboard. Alright, here we have the keyboard with all these nice buttons. They're very clicky. They're even more clicky than my last Black Widow chroma. It's love it. I love it with these not dust catching corners. And it's metal, so yeah. Let's get rid of these, I guess. Oh my goodness. Alright, here we have the keyboard and all the parts for it and the cable. I'm not sure if I want to use it. So yeah, this is it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out my channel for more unboxings and tutorials. Hope you subscribe if you haven't, and hope I see you next time. Bye bye. Oh my god, this sound. I wish I could go and just use the, I think it's 75%. I don't need this. Whatever. I don't say no.